This guide will show you how to install a 2010 to 2014 Mustang carbon fiber LG122 center console. Start by opening the armrest, then removing the shifter knob. Lift from the back of the center console and slowly work your way forward until the center console is detached. You will need to disconnect the traction control buttons. Remove the shifter knob sleeve by depressing the tabs all the way around. Next, remove the traction control button by depressing the tabs on the side. Next, remove the cup holder by unscrewing the 4 Torx screws. Next, we will reuse the chrome flashing. To get this off the original centerpiece, you will need to grind the plastic tabs. Do this all the way around until the chrome piece removes. Attach the cup holders to the new centerpiece. Insert your traction control button. Apply double-sided tape to the edges of the chrome flashing. Reattach the shifter sleeve. Then, using the double-sided tape, attach it to the center console. Reconnect the traction control button. Start clipping the center console back into place by starting with the front and working your way towards the back. Reattach the shift knob. You have now completed your install. For more Trufiber and TrueCarbon products, visit trufiber.com or truecarbon.net.